Merry Christmas machiegni nyakora mogi nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Kawachako jogo matimo limbe dhowedhe makadho nam chumbe kidieny kinde ni mag sikuku kwa mondo mi obed machiegni gi nyithindgi kendo gibed ka giluwo ndachgi kinde duto. Ma en bang' yangore ni kwan nyithindo mijwang'o kendo lal kowuok e lwet jonyuolgi ne omedore kinde ni ma oganda makwar timo limbe e dhowedhe mopogore opogore mabende ntiere Mombasa. Joja oko nigi ler.
Oganda makwar mag welo matimo limbe Mombasa sani yuore dhowedhi mopogore mar toyo ngona kendo kweyo liet ka gigoya bal e thuolo ni mar sikuku. Kata kamano, ng'ur koro nitiere kaluwore gi jonyuol kata wede majwang'o nyithindo ma giyuoro godo e dhowedhigo, gino machal ne timore nikech ng'eny mar dhano.
Wale wanaokuja bichi tumekuwa na jambo la kutukera hapa. Watoto wadogo wanapotea. Kibandani pale kwangu nakaa na watoto karibu 24, kama jana nilikuwa na 29 watoto wamepotea. Sasa wanatupa shida kuwaunganisha na wazazi wao. Maana at the end of the day mpaka tuwakutanishe na wazazi wao. Tunawaomba wazazi, mkija bichi ndio na watoto wenu wachungeni.
Kenya Red Cross Society, we are in all public beaches in Mombasa, supporting on providing first aid service, training, tracing, and also evacuation and mental health. So we have counselors on ground, we have our tracing team on ground, we have our first aiders others are EMT and paramedics to support on service providing first aid services.
Jogo mane waluso gode dhowath Manyali Beach koni kata obedo ni ngima ne odwaridore ahinya ne oganda mathoth higani, gimor gi oganda makwar mane joyuoro e dhowedhi e kinde ni mar sikuku, ka geno margi en ni fuong'ruok biro bedo e higa manyien.
Huu mwaka umekuwa na challenges kidogo, tumekuwa na mambo mengi ambayo yanaendelea, lakini tumewezewa kuwezesha mwaka huu kufika mwisho. Natumai kuwa mwaka unaokuja 2026 tutakuwa na wakati mzuri ambao tutasherekea, tutakuwa na wakati mzuri wa kulipa madeni, tumekuwa na madeni mengi.
Despite our economic hardship, despite everything that has happened in 2025, but seeing families coming together and celebrating the reach of Kenya in the beach, that's one of the best things. Shout out to all, to all parents who are making sure their kids are very happy, who are making sure that their kids live a good life despite what they are facing through.
Nebende gimedo kwayo oganda jo Kenya malwetgi mor mondo mi omed paro jogo mayuto gi ni piny mondo mi gin bende gibedi achiel kod jogo madhi nyime kod bago nyasi mopogore e thuolo ni mar sikuku.
Today I just took my time to visit Nyali Beach. As you can see, everyone is happy. People here are very happy, and I want to thank also parents, those who have shared with families. I know there are people who didn't manage actually to have their meals this day, but I want to appreciate each and everyone that has sacrificed his or her amount to just share love with other people.
There's nothing bad like a neighbor sleeping hungry and yet you have enough food in your house. So learn to share. We are one. We are one people. You are God's people, and that's the main reason. Just share with your neighbor, and if you support someone, even school fees. If you can chip in for someone who lacks even school fees, and you can pay for them. Pay for them. If you can share food with them, share with them. Share the happiness. That is the most important thing.
Magi na giwacho kako machielo bende gipuoyo kange ma oketi gibede migepe mopogore mag piny owacho to chuthe jiwo weche magarita kuonde ma oganda mathoth chokore Mombasa.
Nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu hali usalama iko sawa. Iko sawa kabisa. Tumeshirikiana na vitengo vya serikali kama KWS, Transit Police na Nyali Police. Tumeshirikiana vizuri na tumefanya kazi vizuri. Kutoka tangu tuanze mpaka leo sijaona tofauti wala sijaona tatizo. Naomba kwamba kama utakuja beach, Nyali Beach, na upate shida, ona kwa mwenye kibanda, ingia kwa mwenye kibanda na utapata usaidizi. Usiulize wale wanatembea baharini kama wewe. Wale uliza kwa kibanda, ingia kwa kibanda na utapata wenyeji na utapata usaidizi.
For the last 3 to 4 days, there's a lot of crowd coming to Mombasa, so tunawakaribisha wageni wote Mombasa. Mombasa is safe. We have a multi-agency response together with county government taking the lead, national government, that is the Ngao, KMA, Coast Guard, all the other stakeholders engaged. We are all on the ground and we are supporting with all the services around. So karibuni Mombasa, it's safe and feel at home.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Jogo ma timo limbe dhowedhe ma kadho nam chumbi kinde ni mag sikuku kwa mondo mebede machiegni gi